So, let me ask you a question. What if you had to start all over again from scratch and you didn't know anybody, right? Maybe you're going to a new city, or maybe you're a real estate agent and you're starting a whole brand new business. What would you do? How would you get business? Where would you start? Especially if you didn't have any experience maybe, or maybe you didn't have a lot of money, or maybe you're an agent that has business, but you're looking for a new way to do things. You want to learn how to actually stand out amongst the crowd and actually be able to do business. What would you do? Well, funny enough, I actually wrote a book called 3 Clients in 30 Days, and it's very similar to this question. It asks you, what would you do? Well, here's what I would do. I would make myself known by creating as much content as possible relating to the community. So what would you do to get business? Have you ever heard of the show Undercover Billionaire? Well, guess what? On this show, they give the person $100 and they put them in a city where nobody knows everything, just to show how much opportunity there is. What I want you to understand is there is opportunity. If you have never sold a house before, you have 0 clients, you don't know anyone, or maybe you do and you want more, there's a strategy that will work for you. I want you to think about becoming a reporter. How do you be somebody that reports everything that's happening in the community? Whether it's about your profession, maybe you're in real estate, right? You can talk about what's happening in the market, what's happening locally, what's happening nationally. Maybe you can talk about anything that has to do with your community, no matter what profession that you're in. Think about it. What are the best restaurants in town, right? You want to become the reporter. Where's the best place that you can actually have cocktails for happy hour and save time? What are the best schools in the area? What are the best restaurants that you can go to? Where can you find the best burger in town? Where are the best dog parks that you can go to? I can go on and talk to you about what you can create, the content that you can create, and report it back to your community about what's happening. Now here's what happens when something like this happens. Are you looking to transform your business? Well, if the answer is yes, then you don't want to miss out on our intensive event starting soon for only $97. This event is jam-packed, full days of live coaching with me. We have breakout sessions to customize and implement our daily training so that you can actually utilize them into your business. We're going to give you the training to craft your personal strategy to convert your leads into long-term clients. So let's go. What are you waiting for? Register now. Can't wait to see you there, and let's transform your business. You become known as the go-to expert, but you've got to make sure that you properly distribute this content. Why? Because when you create content, whether you just post on your business page or post on your personal page, the only people that are seeing it are people that are already interacting with you. That's what Facebook's algorithm does. It shows that I'm interacting with you or commenting with you, so it says, okay, these two know each other, let's put their information in there because they're interacting. The idea, though, is that you want to be able to be known by people that you are not already interacting with. So you've got to make sure that as you create this content, you're actually properly distributing it so it actually can be seen and that eyes can get on it. That's a really, really important trick to make sure that you do. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.